The allegations are of old-fashioned espionage, but the alleged target is the most urgent shared quest of the modern age. Interfering with democracy is one thing, but Russian spies are now accused of trying to steal the secrets behind coronavirus vaccine trials in Britain.
Given that the world is trying to come together to find a vaccine for our own peoples, British people here in the UK, but also for people around the world, I'm afraid it's a pretty egregious behaviour, and it deserves and it should be called out in the way we're doing today.
Moscow earlier this week, where cameras were shown clinical trials for a vaccine there. A scientist says his team has successfully completed trials of the world's first vaccine against the coronavirus infection. This is a matter of national prestige for Russia. They're not alone in that, but the government here is accused of involvement in an attempt to hack foreign secrets. Britain says the attacks have been carried out by a group called APT-29, also known as the Dukes or Cozy Bear, which almost certainly operates as part of Russian intelligence, using malicious software called Wellmess and Wellmail in an attempt to steal information on vaccine research. But who are they? Today, Britain's Director of Cybersecurity removed the question marks from his assessment. He said they're part of Moscow's intelligence services.
This is an organisation, an organised group of cyber attackers who work for Russian intelligence services, a well-known group, so it's a very serious episode. What I can say is that there's no reason to believe that it's successfully stolen any of the research, but clearly we need to be vigilant given who we're dealing with.
And whatever the intentions of the hackers, the targets, drug companies and universities don't think Russia succeeded.
I find it really hard to imagine A, that they've managed to get hold of anything, and B, that that there's something there that can be got hold of that isn't in the public domain, unless it's simply, spying on rivals. How far ahead are they compared to us?
This is a familiar weapon for Russia, but it's usually aimed at disruption for disruption's sake. Its suspected ambitions here appear to be deeper. Rohit Katru, ITV News.